Hi beautiful dolls. Yes, it's been ages. Like, I'm so sorry. I would have to apologize to you guys. Like, my sincere apologies. Please forgive me. So I'm here again. It's 2020. So this is a brand new like makeup tutorial. It's more for soft glam, but in this particular makeup tutorial I try to focus on the eyeshadow to some extent, and also I let you guys know the kind of brushes to use. I'm doing kind of a whole series on like good brushes to use based on the particular eyeshadow look you're doing and all the good stuff. So like, I don't want to talk much, just keep watching this tutorial and please don't forget to subscribe. Like, I'm back and a whole lot more videos coming your way, guys, so please do subscribe, do like this video if you found it like so the bomb, and yeah, let's get into this.
So yeah, I start off with skin. Like, so very necessary, prep my skin. I'm using some moisturizer from Pond's, and I'm going to use the milk of magnesia in the tropics. Like, so I need to use a good primer that make my makeup like last, stay put, mattify like all day. So milk of magnesia works best for me, guys.
To apply my foundation, I actually prefer to use a dense brush. This is a good one. This is not as dense as I would like it to be. I'd also recommend the color box brushes, the foundation brushes. Either of them will do because they're dense enough. They're good for like foundation application. So in today's tutorial, I'll be using the color box foundation brush. This it's a foundation and a powder brush as well. So I'll be using this in today's tutorial.
So when applying my foundation, I use the 3 steps: bottom left, bottom right, and my forehead. So I just make sure like I evenly apply the foundation. Today I'm using the Maybelline Superstay, and I had to check the actual shade I use, so I'll leave that down below. But with the concealer, I'm using AOA concealers today, and I'm using the concealer shade that's like just like a shade brighter than my foundation, so that creates like some sort of a base, and I make sure I blend that through to create that kind of like uniform base under my eyes, because I have a bit of dark circles, so I need to like get rid of it with the makeup. And then to create the highlight, I go in with a much brighter concealer. This concealer shade is not so bright, but it's bright enough, yeah, and apply just a small section under my eye, because the whole blending process like kind of spread it out and give it that beautiful effect. So doing the whole eyebrow routine. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested in me doing a whole like eyebrow routine. Really love to do that for you guys. So now I'm doing the whole press set. Yeah, press the loose powder in to set the whole face, and then I go extra tiny bit to bake, so like it gets absorbed the excess oils like left, because I need to stay matte, yeah, to some extent. So yeah, I go with another pressed powder that's like my actual shade to like blend everything and create that kind of uniformity in the whole look, like, because we ain't no harsh lines anywhere, like everything's gonna be blended in like real good. So yeah, I'm using the bright concealer shade, the same shade I use under my eye, to clean up my brows, so I can get a like good look, like clean sharp brows. Yeah, you know, so very necessary. And apply the whole concealer to my eyelid as well to make a base so I can apply my eyeshadow. Before I apply my eyeshadow, I make sure I set the whole like eyelid area before I do my eyeshadow. So set it so it becomes like beautiful.
So I'll be going in with these brushes. This one of the color box brushes. I'm not sure the name, but I'll get the name and listed down below. So this has, I need to put these brushes down first. So this has a tapered, like it's more tapered, and it has like this tapered look. So I have another, but this is quite dirty. So this is another. It's got that kind of tapered look, but this is like a mini. So, and these brushes are actually good for your transition shade. So your very fair shade, your very light shade, that's like your skin color shade, you need to use a tapered brush. So using these brushes. And for your crease, you need a more like dense brush that is like short. So a mini of a foundation brush actually, but between these two, this is like way like shorter, and this like has like a little bit of more bristle. So with the very short brush, you actually realize it's able to like really pick out the eyeshadow and really like pack it onto your eyelid, into your crease area. Very good. So you could use either of this will give you a much lighter flow, but if you keep going in more with this, you get the look this would have created in a few seconds. So any of this works. This is also an eyeshadow brush. This is also for the crease. It's also good for like packing in color. I'll probably be using this brush in today's tutorial. One other brush you really need in your kits are these kind of brushes. These are like, I think they call it horsehair brushes. These are really like dope as dope.
So the first shade I use is Burkina. The second shade is Fulani. The third is Adan. All these three from the Juvia's Masquerade palette. The next shade, which is a really bright shade, was from Colourpop. From the Colourpop Cute AF palette. That's the full zip. I think I went in also with Zulu from the same Masquerade palette. So these are the shades I'll be using, that kind of order. I apply my eyeshadows in this kind of like order: transition, which is like on top of the crease, the next in my crease, the third in the outer corner of my eye, and then like a shimmer on the same matte on my eyelid, like majority of my eyelid. So work your way through. Blending is key, guys. So if you feel you lost the color, you can always go back to bring back that color. So this time, sweeping off the excess powder, making sure everything. Yes, I did go off camera to do my lashes and my eyeliner. So let me know if you're interested in a detailed eyeliner look. I'd love to do that for you guys as well. Just to get like that kind of perfect winged eyeliner. So very nice to shoot. I'm going to contour. I use a very slim like angled brush, and then I go in with a much larger brush, and you realize I'm doing it towards my cheek, like towards my face, my lashes, because in that way you create that kind of like soft effect coming into your face. It's not a harsh line, it's well blended in. And don't forget to do all around your forehead, and yeah, that's the stuff. some blush.
So I'll be using the melanin glow. Like, this is in high maintenance.
Melanin glow for the rain, guys. So just a little goes a long way. Make sure you blend it well enough. It's gonna look like a little patch on your face. So to be on the safe side, you go back over with your foundation brush or powder brush to like kind of make it like look a whole lot more like skin like from within, smooth side and all that. So virtually that's it. Yeah, I had to use the rosé browhene to do my lip, to line my lips, because I needed a brow pencil and this was the closest I could get. So, but this is the same pencil I used for my brows. Yeah, and using some NYX butter gloss, like this, like so sweet lip gloss. And don't forget to set, like so very necessary, and press the setting spray back into your face. It makes the makeup last a whole lot longer.
So thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. Like, you guys are the real deal. If you're able to watch to this very point, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one pretty soon, guys. Bye, peace out.